am available for all sort of myitlab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 reading scores. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, myitlab accounting, myitlab finance, myitlab Excel, myitlab Word, myitlab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all assignments, project, midterm exam and final exam with A+ grade. I am handling many student courses on myitlab, Pearson, Cengage, Mintap, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 reading score. Okay, let's start our assignment. First we will click on enable editing button, then we are able to do this assignment. Okay, select this title first, then I will increase the font size for a proper view in my video, then I will highlight this title. Okay, now I have highlighted. Okay, now focus on the title of assignment Exp25 Excel Chapter mid-level 2 reading score. Now we will select this complete instruction file, then I will increase the font size for a proper view in my video. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 1 of this assignment. Question number 1 of this assignment is that start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 reading scores XLSX grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson myitlab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Now I am going to opening my Excel workbook. You can focus on my laptop screen, click on enable editing button first. Okay, now a file is able to do assignment right now. Now we will move on question number 2 of this assignment. The question number 2 of this assignment is that first I will highlight for a proper view. You can read easily in my video. Question number 2 is that in the range F2 to H2 insert function that will calculate the average for each of group control CBT only hybrid. Okay, basically this question first we will select this range at F2 to H2, then we will insert a function that will calculate the average for each of group. Okay, we will press is equal to and then we will insert a function in cell F2, average function. Okay, into the range we will enter control column A2 to A25. So we will press enter. It will be find average of control group control. Now CBT only hybrid. So okay, so use fill handle to the right and then it will be find all average for 3 groups control CBT only and hybrid group. Now we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 3. Question number 3 is that in the range F3 to H3 insert function that will calculate the median for each of the group. Okay, we will go to cell F3 and then press is equal to enter median function. Press is equal to first in cell F3. So we will insert a median function in cell F3. Median function cell F3. Okay, now we will enter this value in the range A2 to A2 to A25. So we will press enter, close bracket and press enter. Then it will be find median value of control group. Okay, you can see first I have enter a average function, now I have enter a median function, then I have enter this value in the range A2 to A25. So we will press enter and it will be find median of control group. Now okay, use fill enter to the right for three groups. Median will be find in here. CBT only hybrid. Now we will move on next question of this assignment is question number 4. The question number 4 is that in the range f4 to f4 to h4 insert function that will calculate the most repeated repetitive value for each of the groups. Okay, press is equal to in cell f4, press is equal to enter function. 1 second. Enter mode function. Okay, now A2 to A25 value in the range A2 to A25. Close the bracket and so we will press enter and it will be find mode of control group and then we will copy okay, I have find mode of control group, so copy to the right CBT only and hybrid. You can see scroll to the right this function copy and to the right it will be find CBT only hybrid and control mode. So we will move on next question of this assignment. The next question is question number 5. In question number 5, in the range f5 to h5 insert function that will calculate the highest value for each of the group. Basically in this question we will go to cell f5 and then we will enter max function, maximum. Okay, press is equal to where is high we will must enter maximum function, enter max function. Value in the range A2 to A25. So we will press enter. Okay, then we will press enter. It will find highest value of control group in cell F5. So copy right through cell H5 and it will be find CBT only maximum. Okay, copy right to the cell G5 and H5. Sorry, G5 and H5. Now it will find highest value for control and CBT only and hybrid. So we will move on next question of this assignment. I have done this question so well. Question number 6 is that in the range f6 to h6 insert function that will calculate the lowest value for each of the group. Basically this question we will enter a minimum function. You can see where is lowest value. We will have to must enter minimum function. Click on cell f6, press is equal to enter minimum function. Value in the range is A2 to A25. A2 to A25 is the value in the range. Okay, A2 to A25 and then we will press enter. So it will be find lowest value for control group. So copy right to the cell G6 to H6. Then it will be show minimum value, lowest value for CBT only and hybrid group. So we will move on next question of question number 7. I have done 6 questions so far. You can see I just show you 6 questions in my video. Total question of this assignment is 11. Okay, I just